In this first part, we will combine two layers to create a gradient effect on a rectangle. First, let's create a rectangle with the rectangle tool. Then, select the gradient tool and click on the canvas. So far, we have two layers. Both of them are selected, so we can group them all at once. For the gradient layer to affect only the rectangle, we should change the attribute blend method. We select the gradient layer and change the method to onto. We can modify the gradient effect at will. Now we add some circles to see how the different layers interact. With the selected group, let's create two brown circles. Then we select the gradient layer and create a black circle. Once we have the black circle, we add a blur layer. If you right-click on the black circle layer, we get a menu. Select New Layer, then Blur, and Blur again. The new blur layer affects all layers on the group that are under it. The brown circles are not affected. Let's select one of the circles and lower the layer in the list. We can see that the group is on the top of the circle, but the circle is not affected by the blur layer. The circle on the left is on the top of the canvas. The other brown circle at the end of the list is at the bottom of the canvas. In the group, we have the blur layer that affects the whole group. The circle, the gradient layer that affects only the rectangle, and finally, the rectangle.